back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. It's almost Easter. Easter makes me want blue food. Naturally colored blue, though, from the addition of butterfly pea flour powder. How beautiful is this cake? And believe me, it's really not that difficult to make. It is literally 2 recipes. Vegan crepe batter is super simple because you literally throw all the ingredients into a blender. It's plant milk, melted vegan butter, vanilla extract, butterfly pea flour powder food color, which, by the way, I'm not sponsored, but I recently grabbed a bag of this butterfly pea flour powder, say that 3 times fast, and I have to say, I kind of love it. It's a natural way to color up all your stuff. So get it or don't. And you can, of course, use regular food dye, too, or even spirulina powder works great, too. Or just keep the crepes neutral like I did for my apple crepe cake from a few years ago. But yeah, if you want to get all flour powered up, get it, throw it in, along with the cornstarch, baking powder, and salt, all-purpose flour, and a very small amount of sugar. Whiz it all up and let it blend for 45 seconds. Transfer that batter to a container, and then you have to refrigerate it for at least an hour or overnight. I swear it looks like I'm pouring eggshell blue paint into that container. But trust me, it's crepe batter. Alright, the only specialty tool you're going to need for this project is a crepe pan, but honestly any non-stick frying pan will do. The inside diameter of the fry pan that I'm using is 6 inches, and I do link to everything that you're going to need, including the recipe, in the box below this video, so be sure to click through to my website at gretchensveganbakery.com to grab all of that information and so much more. Oh my god, how dare you! So yeah, this is honestly the hardest part, and it's not even hard, it's just time consuming because you can only fry up 1 crepe at a time. But seriously, they only take like a minute on each side over medium-ish heat, and you just want to be careful not to brown them because we do want to keep that vibrant blue color. So I'm using a very light spray of some pan spray, and that just helps them to flip easily, and then just transfer each one to a parchment-lined sheet pan. Do that 12 times and you're ready to go. Now, I made the buttercream recipe a day in advance, as well as these buttercream flowers for my decor, and the white chocolate butterflies too. For a full-length tutorial on how to make these buttercream flowers, be sure to watch that video next. I link to it at the end. Okay, so I'm using buttercream here as the filling instead of whipped cream as I originally thought that I would. But these crepes are so low in sugar that just this thin layer of buttercream is a perfect complement, and it's not overpowering at all. But of course, you can use whatever filling you like. And don't forget, if you really don't want to make this into a whole cake project, just stuff them up with some mixed berry compote and go traditional with a stuffed mixed berry crepe. I make a super fast berry compote from a mix of frozen berries and a little bit of sugar. Cook it slow and low for about 30 minutes and it gets all thick and saucy. Then just stuff up your crepes and you've just made a perfect breakfast. Yum, these are so good with coconut whipped cream. Oh my god, you guys, I definitely ate way more than my share of crepes. Okay, I digress. Let's get back to building this cake. And I just decided to keep the sides rustic because, well, how cool does that look? It's all ruffled up. I really like that look. Okay, so now for the decor, a few chocolate butterflies, and my flowers actually didn't get super frozen as I'd hoped, and they were just getting really soft so fast under these hot lights, but I made out okay getting them onto the cake. So that's really it. This cake is just so pretty. And these crepes, oh my god, I'm surprised that I had enough left to actually make this cake. I kept eating them as I was cooking them, so I'm glad that I made a double recipe of the crepe batter. I really hope that you guys are going to want to make this, so be sure to head over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab the recipe. But before you go, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I would love it if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe here to my channel for the best vegan bakes around. A great big thank you, as always, for the continued support of my patrons over on Patreon and in PayPal, too. If you think that you can help support this channel so I can buy more ingredients, test more recipes, and keep it all coming at you for free, click the links below to find out how. Don't forget, I'm on Instagram and Facebook, too. Just Google Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. I'm kind of everywhere. All right, everyone. Thanks again for hanging out with me here. Please comment below because I love hearing from you. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.